When we talk about the engine in the head, there is an image of large, loud parts, powerful turbine compressors, but there is among them so whose presence we don't notice. Small, modest. This is a gear like this, but try to remove it and the whole engine will go silent because it is the gear that connects the mechanism and allows all these steel giants to work as one in this geometry, the power, the precision, and the meaning of the whole system. Today we will find out why is this detail invisible to the eye, the heart of the movement.
But this is only at a glance now. It seems so simple because here we look and everything seems easy and simple to us at a glance, but in fact it is far from so simple because the modern development of our moods and as it were our science and mechanical engineering allows us to lay very complex geometry in the tooth wine itself. The level of machine tool construction that exists today allows this whole very complex geometry to be embodied directly in microns or even more than 10 microns. Not all testers are such responsible and unique in the fault. There are gears that are simple workers, although it is probably still correct to say that in an aircraft engine every detail, yes, it is responsible, it is necessary, it has a certain functionality, but there are gears that simple workers are ordinary, simple square-tooth gears, but raised points they do not bear high loads, and they are mainly used in outboard boxes of units. For example, they don't have any pumps or rotation sensors, that's it. The loads that other gears experience, these are what we call the most, which are the most responsible manufacturers, which are responsible for the overall reliability and operation of the entire engine, are the central bevel gear. These are those gears that rotate at the same speeds, experience almost the same loads as the engine rotor itself. This is the work of the Swiss. We say that they are the most responsible. They have the highest manufacturing requirements, which are measured in microns. Somewhere even dozens. Next is micron, and these are the same interesting tools.
So we figured out why a gear has perfect geometry, but it's not born perfect. Each tooth goes a long way from rough metal to perfect shape. First, there is rough processing. At this stage, the metal first acquires the contours of the future part, then heat treatment of the metal strengthens, hardens, and makes stable loads that will experience 1,000 hours of work. And finally, frequency processing is practically a jewel stage, where every micron of shavings is a step towards the efficient operation of the entire engine. But even the perfect gear is only half the story, because she has a partner and together about her the perfect furry couple.
Well, any 6 I have is a part in Russia, that is, any blank is some kind of cylindrical blank, yes, if we allow variety rolling. Or is it some kind of ring blank? Therefore, the main machining in general is more precisely, or all the processing that is associated with the processing of bodies. This is rough turning, the maximum removal of material is at blank, then heat treatment occurs, which after rough turning will lay down the basic properties of the material which are reported in the design documentation. After this preliminary, such basic heat treatment is performed. The half-hour processing, which will include various stages, is embodied in the drawings. These are various groove holes, half-hour turning, preliminary turning, then, depending on the design, a strengthening heat treatment can be carried out, which provides a high hardness of the profile surface, and then the final treatment is already taking place. Blinding, this is considered a finishing tennis treatment. 60% of all success in the manufacture of gears is heat treatment. During heat treatment, the basic properties, materials that start the design documentation are laid, and high hardness of the gear profile is also ensured. If the heat treatment is performed incorrectly or with a deviation, it will no longer be possible to correct it. This will be considered, however, the remaining 40%. Let's say this is the finishing treatment of the blindness operation, which provides these very microns. And this is the accuracy that lies in the documentation in the end. Rough processing, as I said, yes, this is the processing in which the maximum material is removed, yes, from the surface of the workpiece. After rough processing, the part acquires just outlines or counter. What we see is the drawings of frequent processing. Without changing the outline of the part acquires its final shape, the geometric appearance that we see in the design documentation. Well, you can even give a clear example. Yes, what is the difference between rough processing and finishing? If we need, for example, to paint a large wall over the area, yes, we will most likely choose some kind of broad script or varia. Yes, what if we need to draw some ornament or pattern? We will rather choose the piston in the same way when processing the session. Yes, of course, you can, starting from the workpiece, produce it and grind it in the same way. For example, on a lathe, try to catch these microns. Yes, it's all the same, but it's with a thin brush, yes, or a roller. This is our tears, this is our time, this is our nerve, because it will be very long. Through mechanical engineering, this is called the economic efficiency of processing, or let's say the labor intensity of manufacturing parts. If it is very long in time and takes away the strength of the worker, then the part will cost like painting from the Louvre, and such a product at such a cost will be unprofitable and no one will have a laptop.
The uniqueness of our gears, their identity. Each of those processes is worked out and honed. Thanks to this, we guarantee high reliability and close to ideal part geometry.
The highest accuracy is needed not only for the sake of engine life. When the 6 does not work, vibration is perfectly reduced. And the less vibration, the less noise, which means the whole system works quieter and more environmentally friendly.
Quality is formed from the system that is implemented in the factory. Yes, this system does not press quality. Control is carried out from the purchase of metal and ending at all stages of its processing.
In the search accuracy, regulated precisely by the industry standards of our aviation engineering, the designer, depending on the working conditions and purpose of his gears, precisely assigns the degree of accuracy. Each degree of accuracy is characterized by 3 indicators. This is the norm of kinematic accuracy, the standard of tooth contact accuracy, and the standard of smoothness of operation. Each such accuracy consists of certain complexes, and this is exactly what constitutes the accuracy of the gear wheel. An aircraft engine is a very highly responsible product. In general, high requirements are placed on it regarding the strength reserve, so let's assume, of course, that this is not a deviation. This deviation from the design documentation is correct. To do this, you will need to file a request for rejection. The designer may perform some calculations and make a final decision. Is it possible to allow such a detail?
For the product, or impossible?
For instance, a few microns deviation might be permissible. It is possible that there will be some noise, and it is possible that the uniformity of load distribution in the pair of gears will shift, but again, I repeat, nothing can happen. Here's for our understanding. Most likely, in case of any defect or repair of the engine, this gear, which has a deviation but was allowed for assembly, will simply be forcibly removed from operation. Since it has some deviation, well, a certain number of hours, which will be the resource of the plant.
If it functions, no issues should occur.
The most special thing is when you come to the air show with children, and when your children say, "Your dad did it," you are happy and enjoy that everything is not in vain.
The key is because I have something new every day. Every day is a challenge, either production or technological documentation or some new product development. That is, every day is new and interesting. Huh?
From a cold workpiece to a unique pair operating inside a massive engine, we've completed the journey.
Every micron, every step, every check is the contribution of hundreds of people, but our part will take its place at the heart of the engine and go straight to the sky.